Welcome to Blue Collar AI. Today we are ending the paperwork headache. Whether you are a field tech, a service manager, or an operations lead, this guide is for you. We are going to show you how to turn a messy voice note into a professional field report with zero typing. We all know this struggle. You just spent 2 hours fixing a flow transmitter in the pouring rain. Your hands are dirty, you're exhausted, and you just want to go home. But you can't. You have to stand there, pecking out a report on a tiny smartphone screen. And when the process is hard, the quality drops. You meant to say that you completed the safety lockout and verified the output. But what you actually sent was a 3-word text. Job done, fixed. This is dangerous. Important details like safety procedures get skipped, and typos make even the best technicians look unprofessional. Here is the reality. You can speak 150 words per minute, but you can only type about 40 on a phone. The new workflow is simple. Stop typing and start rambling. Let the AI handle the spelling, the formatting, and the grammar. You just focus on the tech. It starts with the brain dump. Open your voice recorder and just talk. Don't worry about ums or slang, just get the facts out. In this example, our tech Ryan spends just 20 seconds explaining a repair on a flow transmitter, mentioning a failed conduit seal, and a corroded terminal block. This is where the magic happens. The AI takes that raw input and translates it. It turns "open the peckerhead" into "inspected transmitter housing." It turns "need a new gasket" into a formal parts required list. It separates the noise from the signal instantly. It even handles liability. The system is smart enough to know that if you worked on internal terminals, you must have used safety protocols. So it automatically adds a line item confirming you adhered to standard lockout/tagout procedures. It protects you without you having to type it out every single time. And here is the result. A perfect industrial-grade PDF report generated in 10 seconds. Asset details, findings, work performed, and parts needed, all structured perfectly. Professionalism is 10 out of 10, and your effort was 0. So how do you do it? You need a system prompt. This isn't just an idea. It's a specific set of instructions you give the AI. You copy this prompt, paste it into your AI tool, and then paste your voice note underneath. That's it. Let's break down the prompt. First, we tell the AI its role. Expert Field Service Administrator. Then we give it rules. Rule 1, sanitize slang. Rule 2, infer safety. This ensures your report is always client-ready and compliant, no matter how casually you speak. Next, we protect the data. Rule 3 states, do not change numeric readings. 4 milliamps cannot become 40. Accuracy is non-negotiable. And Rule 4 forces a standard format, so every report looks exactly the same, regardless of which technician writes it. Here is the full prompt. I want you to screenshot this page right now. Save it in your Notes app. This is the key to automating your admin work. Why does this matter? Because saving 15 minutes per job adds up. Over 240 jobs a year, that is 60 hours. That's a full week and a half of work eliminated. No more late nights in the truck doing paperwork. Professionalism is a choice, and now it's easy. Messy input, automated process, pristine output. Use the prompt on your next job, and don't type in the rain ever again.